Now I'm in Zhalong National Nature Reserve in Qiqihar, North China's Heilongjiang province. Here, a lot of captive released red-crowned cranes are receiving their rewilding training.
Covering an area of 2,100 square kilometers, the Zhalong National Nature Reserve is one of the world's largest breeding and protection bases for the endangered red-crowned crane, which is under top national protection in China.
丹顶鹤对这个繁殖地要求非常苛刻，也是非常敏感。它需要这个槽区呢，一个槽呢是要1.5平方公里，这个尺度是很大的。它呢这个地方呢要求得非常平坦，这是它呢还得需要有那隐身的，因为你人你不能看到它，还有天敌，看到它就不在这做巢。这里就常年有积水在覆盖，所以它呢这样呢就这样的一个区域呢，蟑螂恰恰是为了丹顶鹤提供了非常好的这个繁殖的这个天堂。
The reserve has been exploring ways to train the captive red cranes for release into the wild in a bid to raise the crane population with a healthy genetic pedigree. Established in 1979, the reserve has successfully released about 380 captive red-crowned cranes into the wild.